Welcome back to our channel, friends. So today I'm not doing an educational video or video game. Today I'm going to be cooking. So in my videos I'll be doing different things. So let's get started. So the ingredients are chickpeas, potatoes, yogurt, sugar, milk, and tamarind. So for these mini decoration things, you need something called Dahi Bhalla. So for this is technically a powder. It has lentils in it, so you need some water, and then you'll cook it, and then the final result will become this. So these are just decoration. Anyways, I'll put that on the side, and let's continue. So first thing, what you need to do is you need to get your potatoes and put them into a bowl with the chickpeas. So I'm just going to be doing that. Just like that. And it doesn't matter if you don't spread it out or not. While you're putting it in, you don't have to spread it out. But after you put it in, then you spread out. Like so. So then it should look like this while it's spread out. Next, you need to put in these things. So you can just put them wherever you want. You can do a design if you want. I'm just putting them in random places. There. So now the potatoes and the chickpeas are on the bottom. Then you need to get your sugar and milk and mix it in with the yogurt. So I'm first going to pour in my milk, like so. Then I'm going to get my sugar and pour it in as well. After, I'm going to get a spoon, and you need to mix it. And you need to mix it very carefully, or else it'll spill. So very gently. And you need to mix it until it becomes light. So this may take a while, but it should be ready in like 2 minutes or something. So right now you can see it's still very thick. So now I have to mix it more to make it less thick. Now it's finished. So now I'm finished mixing the yogurt. So now I have to pour it into here with all of the chickpeas, potatoes, and the circle things. So just spread it all out. just like that. So next you're going to put something called tamarind. So you're going to just spread it out everywhere. Like you can do it in 3 lines or this way, but don't put too much. And don't keep it there for long or else it'll all just spread out there. So just watch me. And that's it. So now I'm finished. So now I'm finished making my dessert. So this is very nutritious, and if you want to try it, please try it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye.